Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the tangent. So now I will show you how to answer. First, if we want to find about the tangent, we need to find first the derivative of the function in here. First, the derivative of this one, we will have number a multiplied by negative number 2s, because first the derivative of s squared you got about 2s, but this one is about the quotient, that's why we have the negative sign here, over s squared plus 4 to the power of 2. Now you can do similar for the second one. Next, we apply the formula of the tangent. So S0, that's about number 2. Y0 is about number 1. About this one, we just put number 2 cone here to find the value of first derivative at s equal to number 2. So we calculate this one. We have negative 1 over 2 multiplied by s minus 2 plus 1. And now if we simplify, we have negative 1 over 2 multiplied by s and negative number 2. One plus 1 is about 2. Now we can do the same technique for this one. S0 is about negative number 3. Negative, negative, you go about positive number 3. Y0 is about 3 over 2. So I will put negative number 3 cone here and here. And that is about 1 over 2. So 1 over 2 multiplied by s and number 3 in here. This one we have number 3. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.